Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line. Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line. Hello.
Hi, kunjani?
So right, thank you. Kunjani ma'am?
I'm good. Am I speaking to Sira?
Uthela no serious sis.
How are you, Sira?
Diphilile ngosakhondo mani inkosi sigcinile sibulela ugcino, right wena?
No, nami ndigciniwe mtshana wami ndigrand.
Oh yes.
Bengicela ke bhuti senze la nto manje siqhele uyenza every week.
Hey play ke ngosisi wami.
Leyo nike.
Apho wena ufonayo uphikisane nami ngamagama njalo njalo. Oh sisi wami kodwa yazi peace of mind ayonto ixabisileyo caba yazi umuntu ne.
Not leyo kaloku bhuti wami.
Ephi kaloku no.
Le kaloku yoba wena unike airtime uqala ishow.
Oh. Kutheni yonke into right?
Yonke into perfect mtshana.
Akho nto ufuna uyiqonda, akho nto ufuna uyiunderstand, akho nto ufuna uyikhulisa njalo njalo.
No, akho nix man ndisemcini.
Oh sana, itheni noba iyaphela le crush yakho apha kumne?
Oh.
No, it's just being difficult. Yes, moslando ba xa umane ukufona umuntu build a relationship, you know, lando ka hard to get njalo njalo. Kaloku akufoni abantu baninzi abacela airtime seswami. So ke ngoku iba mandi ke ngoku lando nithi into kana nesilungu into ebubenda. Yeah?
Sira nguwe uthe kumbena ba i-peace of mind uyayibawela ngoku ndiyakunika awuyifuni.
Ingxaki wakhaleza wabeka ifoni ndisithi ndadlala. You understand? Ngoku waphoswa yilonto le yini mntasekhaya.
Okay kaloku bhuti.
Hey, hayi ke wasikhubeke ke ngoku.
Ungathi ukhubeke emsebenzini mtshana wami kafake airtime ayibona.
Andingathi nice fonini. Ayiveli inamba yakho apho fonini. Awufuna undithumela inamba.
Uyanxwasa ngoku client.
Denzela awuthi malume wami.
Uzothatha.
Ndikuva bevoyisini ba wena noko sisi.
Itype kamalume. Not wena.
Itype kalume wena wondini.
No, ndi-right mna bhuti wami enye into ikhona into endisayiphekayo.
Oh.
Ewe so ke ndilinde uba ivuthwe.
Iphi iseziko. Okanye ingaseziko, okanye eziko kwikatelele ziko.
Futhi ngiyacela wethu futhi.
Oh siza. Azawucela iboss yami yenza i-video calls apha emsebenzini ngekhe.
Awusacheche bye.
Xolo ke mntasekhaya, sencume. Xolo ke mntasekhaya ba sorry man. Ungani-report bengingazama uku-offenda.
Okay.
Yalando xa uyaziva xa uthetha nenkosazana ke ngoku awunawuliyeke lo thuba livele lihambe.
Uzukuphinde net soxela mna.
Angizophinda.
Kosa men can't take them anyway. Can't take them to work, can't take them to the party, can't take them anyway. Into bafunayo ukuncumisa. Manu hleka. Manu open afu ngathi yaphambana.
Skengalele.
Kengalele.
Man, everyone deserves happiness, guys, yes? And also one thing you must understand, I'll tell you that if flirting is harmless. I knew it. No, it's not.
Tell that to your brand new one.
Oh, wow.
So advice abanye abantu wena
xa ungena kawufumani umlingani kalo Talitha.
Awuchongo lo.
Talitha.
Awuchongo.
For nina kalo benzithi for nina.
Ngikhuphe mna afo. I don't even think I know how to flirt anymore. Yes, and then good.
Oh really? What was it?
It depends on what the occasion is needing.
Buti. Kuko ithi so. And then you got your first warning at work. Yes, so welcome to it, guys. You know what it is. Bling Line, the show hosted by us with comments that come from you. Whose show is it then?
It's their show.
Aha, there we go. For us, by you.
Yes.
There we go.
For you, by you.
For you, by you.
Fubu.
Ngena sonke. Siyabulela kakhulu. Masingene straight emxholweni.
Yes.
Oh, ngena straight endabeni.
Yes.
Neo Masiu 1241 uthi, when you all talk about old clothes with sentimental value, it reminds me of my mom. She has her own full wardrobe, which isn't enough. Her clothes are also in my wardrobe and my brother's wardrobe. Mind you, we live in a 3-bedroom house. and her clothes are in all rooms. Oh, sounds like your mother, sounds like me. Make it make sense. And Shem, we can't say anything because it's her house. Fair game. Ambanofuna indlu zenu. Yes.
Umani kwakhe nibe nimhleba kuse-Blank Thrive.
Actually, it doesn't sound like me because my clothes are in 2 rooms except the bedroom. But I've got clothes in 2 other rooms. That's bad. Hi guys.
Is there enough wardrobe space in your bedroom?
I mean, there is.
For you and your lady?
So that's a relative.
No, it's not, because you guys are sharing a bedroom space right now, right?
Yeah.
Which means you're sharing cupboard space.
Yeah.
So if into zakhe bezingekho phakula cupboard, could all your stuff fit in that cupboard?
But the cupboard yabantu ababini.
According to who?
Ayo cupboards, in fact, the wardrobe. There's a lot of space, Talita. I'm just saying, but Nangam, how much cupboard space do you need as a person?
As much as you need.
Talita, this is not what
guys,
we were talking about last week.
We can't be like
Hoarders, yes,
no,
you're right.
No. We can't be told how much cupboard space we need. You need as much cupboard space as you need. And we can't have like a measure about, okay, an average person needs this much cupboard space. According to what? Can't you keep all your stuff but sifuneke sixelele uba i-cupboard space esiyinidayo as abantu. That's what the world does to us anyway. Isixelela what to do all the time. So sixelela ne-cupboard space.
You're one person. How many t-shirts do you need? How many dresses do you need?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Abantu abangenazo uthi mabathini bona? Intoni? Kaloku phiwe kaloku Talita wena. You've been given not only to keep but to share.
All right, cool.
Oh, inkosi enoxolo ibe nawe mntasekhaya.
Ibe nawe ngokunjalo.
Because this is uphinda unxibe nini masifa umzekelo?
Oh, sithanda ijezi zam.
Yeah. Hayi ke nawo. Hayi indlu kamama akho futhi.
Yeah, end of story.
Niyabona ke inyani lanto siyithethayo kula ad Spotify uba we are all on opposite sides.
Everything akhodo singayicokoliyo. Neza covers over mabenu. Sikhona ku.
Yeah, no, for sure.
All right, uthi ungoqo elam. Welcome, long time, bro. Talita and Ndima. To say that I'm proud of you. To say that I'm proud of you would be an understatement. Watch the first episode of
Payaya. No, P-A-I-A.
Psychology.
Oh, boy. Psychology of it all. P-O-I-A.
Yes.
Okay.
And boy, oh boy.
Oh, yeah?
That show is proof that it was not just some casual thought, but you letting us into the things that you value the most in life, in a world where mental health is something everyone knows of, but are very scared to provoke real comprehension conversations. You pushed through the contemplation and the fear of the unknown and produced that.
Delivered.
Your choice and decision is so beneficial to many of us. Watching you push the hesitation, taking that leap is incredibly powerful. Such things take immense amounts of courage. Courage, the cowardly dog. Take this moment to really let that sink in and give yourself credit for the grit and determination it took to get to this point. We're so incredibly lucky to witness your growth and experience in so many different ways. You should be very proud of yourself because I and the rest of the blings are. Thank you. That's really nice.
Crazy is it hearing your own stories said by someone else?
It's insane. When I first read this, I was like, no, I didn't do all that.
Imagine.
But I read it again later and I was like, oh, I did do all that. I did start with an idea and going, should I? I don't know, blah, blah, blah. And like so many weeks of that. And then I did it. I guess, yeah.
Ngabisaya boy.
Ngabisaya nasho. Andizoya chomi yami.
Ne?
Condens
one,
funayo
boy.
pa. Thank
Nice
you.
one.
Thank you for realizing and understanding, the process of the thing. And I really appreciate it because nami nika lanto ba wefonini, do what you want to do, bro.
When the finish is thin.
Ndo yakho kaloku basi.
So siyabona ke.
Atsho.
Into azathetha izinto ba I grew up feeling not seen ngokuthiwa into yam ngoku.
Ooh, being Xhosa babes. Masibalisela izonke into zakho.
Shout out, thank you so much, Gokoelam. I
Thank
think
you.
very succinctly put. And yeah, spot on. I want to say nothing. I think I've expressed exactly how proud I am of you, little lady.
Yeah.
So keep doing the laws, bro. And yeah, we'll see you on the next episode. When is the next episode dropping? How many episodes have
On
you shot?
Wednesday. 4.
What?
Mm.
Cause nigga sneak peek hello. Depression.
ADHD.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, only 3. And trauma. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm shooting one on Friday. So
Yo, those ought to be interesting, guys. Don't miss it. The Psychology of It All by your host Talita Ndima, where she deep dives into all sorts of things like those that she has just mentioned.
yeah.
And yeah, we'll be sure to pick up a thing or two.
Yeah.
And all of this in the efforts for us to get more information so that we can get better. Tina Kawa Uti Putizuko, shout out to you for completing that thing. You know what it is. Too easy.
Or not so easy.
Next year, Sisonge on the road. I saw you and shouted, Nango brother, where country? I was so excited. My niece says I'm lying, but you did turn and peace sign me. I'm not making it. Oh, well, I'm no beldula for and I was on the move, way. Shout out, thank you so much. Yeah, those shouts and screams are the very things that push us to the finish line. So shout outs. Tina will be looking out for you, okay? On the road, okay? Love to see it. Shout out. Love it.
I was wondering actually about that because we did a good hour of cheering on strangers before you came.
Yes.
And I was like, how do people feel about that? Like, is it cool for everyone?
Ukwazwa.
And sikhona igama lakho mfowethu lokwazi kama
Igama libhalile.
igama libhalile lithi let's go Terry looking good. And people are always like, but it always
Hey, Dictimani famous. Oh man, you just killed that fantasy.
No, but we were doing it mostly for the ladies also.
Ne?
Yeah. And the ladies were like smiling and looking, and I was like, it must be nice.
Definitely. I mean, imagine you doing anything ubizwe ngegama lakho. Talita, you got this. Bro. Oh, fairs. That's really cool.
But it's also a nice thing to do as well. It makes me feel good to do that as well.
Yes, yeah. Niggas that small smile or that acknowledgement, you know what I mean? Fair game, bro.
There's the Seventh-day Adventist Club and they called Maranatha and we kept going. And whenever we saw one of them, we would always be like, Maranatha Msala! And a lot of them were like, Inkosi yes! Which was so nice. But they were also surprised. Like people would be like, what? Okay.
Yes.
That was fun.
That's really, really cool. I can't wait. Kwaza. Yeah, I actually cannot wait.
Oh, this topic of teeth. I avoided going back to the dentist until the pain dragged me to his rooms. When I eventually went, there was infection and I was put on antibiotics.
Pamangam.
Because taking it out was going to be even more painful. The next couple of days were hell. I also overdosed. A mistake. Pain. Dibanisa meds that don't mix. I had so much anxiety and throwing up and weakness as a result. Taking it out eventually gave me the most relief. I had to go back for cleaning and x-ray to check what else needs to be done. I have been stalling again. Got another one, has a whole sips. Sisi. Oh, indaba yezinyo is scary, yet we still act so ignorantly. Thank you, Ngosingxolisa. Wait, 2 times upela. ungxolisa nam.
Bendizingxolisa to be honest, because anami enqondo yami mtshana yikho le nto yenzileyo, and if my experience can save anybody, happy to absolutely contribute. Bendingangxolisi at all. Ayifuni ungxoliswa into yezinyo, iyazingxoliswa lilo.
And it's wild that after Umtu has had this bad experience, they're still dragging their feet on going to go and fix. Who asked about how bad it actually was? There's something wrong with us as humans, honestly.
For enye into kaloku nezinyo awumele uba ukhupha imali xa yokwenza into edibene nezinyo.
Wene kukhona laa mali.
Khupha nenyuku. Man, ay zange ndiwacelela amazinyo. In fact ngibhatelwa ngabazali into yamazinyo, because sendine can be hereditary nale nto yamazinyo. I mean, how many chocolates do I eat? Both guys or chocolate ezenza izinyo, guys. Wasiqale apho myths. The psychology of it all, I know who's the dentist. Psychology. I explain the psychology of why singayi.
Got you.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right, Sips, thanks. We hope by the time you get to see this episode, so let's go.
Vuya Shabangu says, to the duo that's always cooking. When Zuko said, the ultimate thing we should seek in therapy is not answers but understanding, it immediately reminded me of Proverbs 4 verse 7. Though it cost all you have, get understanding. Oh,
wow.
Because my particular lufunda kwelizilayo namhlanje na ngona phakathi, amen.
Amen.
Both see no utelo silo amen lokho sezantsi.
Ngiyabephi John?
Mawuthi. Both seem to point to the idea that real growth and healing begin not with changing our circumstances, but with understanding ourselves, our experiences, and ultimately the truth that shapes our life. Understanding has the potential to yield wisdom, the ability to navigate life with greater clarity, discernment, and intentionality. Shaba. Yeah. Uqibile. Uqibile. Yane yayiva yane introduction, yane bhoti enqindilili soqhuba wayivala. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for that, man. Absolute shout out. I think so. I also believe in understanding so much. It is really, really a thing that opens up so many doors.
All right.
Yeah, Kalita definitely agrees.
I do.
You seem so deep in thought.
Yeah, no, because I was thinking about what you're saying and I'm like, I can't speak to it more, you know? Sure. It's evidence every day that, you understand that, you do better. That's the end of the story.
Yeah, cool.
Othi ubusisiwe makwezela. Tamzupela, when you clear the wardrobe, think of me, please. I have some who are in need of clothes. Things are tough.
Ash. I drop off your sendiyenzile, but I think I need to steadily, man, because as I say, I think I still have like 2 rooms full of clothes. But for me, I don't think that's right. For me.
Good.
For me, I don't think that's right. So I definitely will give you a shout, Busi. And the arguments are kufumana njani ke kafuneka ke show me ke undithumele nova EDM. And I did do a drive where I was collecting clothes. About 1.5 years, 2 years ago, I was collecting clothes for an NGO that I was affiliated with, and people came through, and they gave stuff, and yeah, we had a really, really good time. We had a bunch of stuff that we were able to donate. So I think maybe something I need to jump on again.
Yeah.
So watch this space. Yeah, let's do something cool, man.
For sure.
No?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially now in the winter time.
Sweet.
All right. Babs K says, Tamzupela. Is it your turn? I totally relate to 3 perspectives when it comes to moving in with your spouse. Fine-tuning our own but is proving to be a lifelong journey.
Imagine.
We are almost 6 years in, and shame, there's still so much more
So
so
xa
much.
ufunda i-comments abantu kaloku kumele bakufunda omnye. There you go.
Leave me alone. There's still so much discussion and compromise that still happens. Maybe one day we will think the same, but okwangoku hayikhona. And you're so right. We have way too much stuff that we keep and we don't even use. I've held on to some items because zinhle, but la marriage weight gain caught up to me and ndiyayazi asoze ndiphinde ndibe busy ever again. We have a rule that we don't buy new clothes or items unless we've gotten rid of other things. It forces us to really use all we have and never become
I
hoarders.
like that. Gena one, Puma one. I think that is really cool.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Oh, that's really,
If you're going to get new stuff, ezinye mazambi.
Wene? Gena one, Puma one, Gena two, Puma two. So kafuneke go Puma tracksuit there. But what we tend to do is just downgrade the Mbasa. You stop wearing it outside when you get a new one. Gena one, Puma one. I like that.
All right, Matswaling. Thanks, Babs K, for that.
Hundreds. We're going to go to the next 2-part comment.
Yes.
Evela ku Anonymous.
Yes.
Oh!
Exactly. I know.
If you guys read this comment on a Bling Line episode, please keep me anonymous. Oh.
It's so funny to me. Excuse me, when I read this, I was like, it's not like Sofika Kowenu City. Hi, it was Teen comment.
Fair.
Yeah, but I don't think I'll ever quite understand shyness.
Oh, really?
No.
Why?
I just don't get it. I don't judge it, but I'm just like, I can't imagine feeling shy, what that would even look
I think
like.
it would be very interesting to have a conversation with a shy person.
Would it?
Yes.
Be interesting?
Yes. What does I explain? Why wouldn't it be interesting?
No, I'm joking.
Okay. Is it? Just easy. Kakazi wachele. Yo itila mlungu. Itila. That wasn't awkward at all. Funny enough, I was talking to my friend about Lendo Yoguti Umdu Udom a day before you guys dropped this episode. My chat was, that's a very mean thing to say to a person, just like Sis Tali said, and ndinga katazeka if a person would say that to me. And yena wabe esithi akaboni into erongo ngokuthetha londo emntwini. What sparked my interest even more was when he asked, Wena, do you think Udom? And I said, no. And he said, then why would you be affected or bothered if a person would make that comment to you? Which made me really like a comment Ikaputsuko that said, highway to that's nothing. If anything, I feel bad for that person who said that to me. It reminded me of what a person once said, which was, when you lack direction, criticism feels like a hit. But by becoming aware of who you are and what you stand for, other people's judgments become less relevant. Washa. Simply put, abaka ustrongile qombe mhlambi. Ngayifuna be simply.
Asizigeta. Appreciate you for this.
Shout out.
Anonymous.
Simply put, being confident in yourself kukwenza ungabe uhoyana nayo yonke lento.
Indole.
Yonke into le abantu abanokuyithetha kuwe /ngawe.
Look, yes, but also don't say dumb things to me. Stop it. Don't accuse me of into ningezizo. Ugh, that's annoying.
Yeah. But yeah, a lot of the time was magama yanibaleka yazi. Ayo reflection, projection. The projection. And also I think yeah, man, look, a lot of the time, all the time, it's just should be like water off a duck's back. I get that sometimes it becomes difficult, but we need to really try and train ourselves to be able to respond in different ways when it comes to different stimulus.
Got you. Thank you for that, Anonymous. Little Babs K again had to add a comment about breaking up with your therapist. Oh, Sissy, you handle that so beautifully. It really is a tricky space to navigate, and it could be so easy just to ghost. Ask me how. You don't have to ask people how to ghost it. There's only one way to do it. LOL. Not to Tamzupela making fun about saving money. It's such a real thing. Yes, because things are expensive. There are parts of the world where paramedical services, like therapists and physios, are part of your workplace benefits. They say, employers, please learn from your peers. I beg. Oh.
Look, I mean, depending on where you work, right? It's back on wellness programs. And I think I've once been a benefactor of a wellness program where I went to Nancy AI Patelos Span as part of whatever, okay, the work wellness program. Yeah, grief counseling. And I had like proper like 4 sessions. Which was a work thing. I just needed to get the information, reach out to HR to take guys, Tini Ndoya Wellness. And a lot of the time, depending on sometimes the size of the organization, I think with the bigger organizations, it's almost something that's kind of like mandated that they need to do. So it's back on, and I think reaching out to HR definitely helps because there's a lot of things that are being paid for and that are there for us that we tend to not use because of lack of information.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
Have a look at that as well. But a entrepreneur struggling to make ends meet.
Why are you putting that on me?
Sharia struggling to make ends meet. So
please. That's so silly.
Yeah, then you might have a challenge. But I think a lot of the bigger organizations most definitely should have a program.
Some sort of.
Yeah. So always find out. Reach out to your local HR. Find out. Okay, find out. I go right.
Go to Zizo 745 andikabukeli, but I just had to comment ndifuna ovela kwi-bling line kawundifake King Da ningaphinde nisishiye ixesha elingaka fakiwe ke
washo Zizo umfakela ntoni
because ucelile.
Come on fondini akungena abantu abacelayo apha fondini hayi Zizo you crocodile tears khona ke kwi-bling line now what.
Yo, Zizu saying 20, bro.
Now what? Oh, just because we take King Tower Tamba now.
Hey, what for?
Oh, well, song lolo Talita. Ukubona song lolo kule hamba ba unithathe ni. Lento yenzileya sus. Yeah. Zakhethwa ndimi comments e-bling line uqala ngoku. Yakandizanga nondiza mna. Yeah, Zizo. Ayizizo mfethu esuzesa. Oh, you're gonna be so mad when you get to realize what just happened. Oh, I'm embarrassed. No, that's what I am.
All I can say is I did what you asked.
Wow, okay. Thanks, King Ta. Oh.
It's a pleasure, my baby. I hope you're happy. I hope this makes your day.
Also, one
week. Guys, also you guys made a big deal out of 1 week.
Guys.
1 week.
Yeah.
Also, we did give you an episode in that week.
Bafethu.
Bafethu.
Yeah. Pops gave 10, you know. I was.
You're the worst.
Utan now.
It was right to Pops Gay for you.
Pops Gay is beautiful in South Load.
I'm gonna read it. Uti Pops Gay. Oh, Tamzupela. Are you happy now? I totally relate to 3 perspectives when it comes to moving in with your spouse. Nah, man, we read this already. Yeah.
We already read this. Oh, Pops, thanks. You know. We really appreciate your comments.
Oh, really?
Just please.
Okay. To Samgelo, SJ. Just came here to congratulate Tamzubela, Comrades Marathon Runner, and Bukowa Pura. Super proud of you, my brother. I'm on Project Comrades before 30.
Oh, I'm so jealous of you. Your pre-30 body does not need comrades. Let me tell you that.
What do you mean?
You're still young. Relax.
Fontin. What?
Makai kaiti fair man land.
Why?
Because it's just, you don't need that stress, man. Younger than 30. Kabu enjoy life.
But then don't you take the stress better when you're younger?
No, amadolo awakaqeli problems. Comrades ufuna amadolo yaziyo hey maybe udala school down.
Amadolo kayihlo.
You know, but I saw a post actually. One of the younger people that completed Comrades was a 22-year-old girl.
Yeah.
Nice. Or yeah, she participated. A 22-year-old girl. And I was like, wow, that's crazy.
That takes a lot.
But I suppose a lot of what's happening now is that things are we're getting sicker, younger. We're getting all of these things younger, and I suppose a good time to do some personal development is also younger.
Sure,
so,
exactly. Definitely. So have you changed your mind?
Yeah, for sure.
Lovely.
It's only a fool that cannot change their mind, Talita. Some girl SJ, see you on the road, mate. You know what it is.
All right, so to say Matoti. It's your turn, bro.
What?
Because just took out my tooth and the dentist said I must come for my left side.
Why, sir?
I said I'll think about it. Kange Andy Hoya Andy Nigai date to come back. Put him on
Come on.
Half on his Oswelaka when you're having problems there, bro. No, don't do that.
No. I think ukwenzele I favor lo dentist lo. When I leave the dentist, Pumasen City, hey, funny, you can't be date. Ukwenzela ba yes by lo date the way bendi look forward been phoning ngoku Monday. Yebo. Turning us sendanga SMS appointment yami. Kwathi abuthi awuna appointment wena. Mntaka soze. Kwathi appointment yakhe next week. Daddy ho. Well, you look at me. See you next week. So yeah, no, for sure, definitely. You did yourself a solid, and your dentist is actually your family member. We are turned out in this.
Yeah. Go ahead, say to next time you see you
There we go. Nes uti lamau. I get what you mean, Kulandau, therapy. I also don't think you should be in therapy for too long. My therapist actually suggested we stop our regular sessions because she could already see that I was in a much better space. She felt she'd given me all the tools I need, and now it was time to put them into practice. I can always reach out again if I feel like I need the support. Love your therapist.
Yeah, your therapist is amazing.
Absolutely. Because Kenyani, at the end of the day, i-therapist right is like tools. These are kunika tools. And the toolbox iyagcwala zii-tools. Iyagcwala zii-tools because now you must remember nakwezi tools manje ukhupha ukrinkrintha uphinde ubeke uphinde ukhuphe uphinde. Now also there's tools. Others you want to give you tools that you won't even necessarily need right now. It's about the tools also zazidinga ngoku and apply them now. So shout out to your therapist. I love that so much.
Yeah. Thanks, Nas. Utusisi Pochini. Listening to Potsuko explain his dental journey as a dentist is entertaining, and also tells me Kuba we aren't explaining the procedures kakuhle because la root canal process.
Oh, xolweni guys, and yafuna ilungisa la ndawo. Ne? I think one thing that we need to do funeka sikhumbule uba ndingumntu nezandlebe benimamele ngazo ayizizo ezindlebe ezikaMzubhela wokwenyani ibizindlebe zokoyika. So mhlawumbe ezinye izinto bendizixelelwa pha ndizive wrong, does explain wrong because ukhona umuntu besithi usixelele uba ngibani identist yakho kwenza basingazoya. And I felt so bad because I was just like I may have possibly completely misrepresented what happened. So ndiyayixolisela loo ndawo ndiyathemba ke ba nawuthi nifumane indawo ezinhliziyweni yoba noko uTamzubhela simbone man, even though a ultimate human ba akekho perfect yayiva. So yeah, maybe nimo angacacise kahle, but otherwise yena 10 out of 10 sana lam highly recommend. Yeah, and I think into as a dentist Sisipho ithi yakho nazo discount
dentist aphi always ngaphi
Kwanini ubuthatha i-opportunity ufake as i-dentist yasendaweni ethile efumaneka kule number uyayiva
uyasebenza ebusuku amazinyo
ndandizinayo nebusiness
sebenza
saba i-receptionist yakho but only from 6 late to 6
wow, insane. Thank you, CC Paul.
shout out.
Whose turn is it now?
Becoming ubu uthi hey, not me being in the middle of sorting my worn once pile while listening to this.
Nice.
Wild. Kaloku nina ningabantu bakashiin nina.
So go stop it.
Sorry. To sharing my thoughts and feels. I also don't believe in being in therapy forever or anything longer than 6 months at a time. This is how you become heavily dependent on it and use it as a crutch. It is a dangerous place to be because it's easy to lose touch with the outside world, and it also means you aren't learning and applying anything. Yabona kasiphinde sibukela phi kweza tools. Yabona izipanere ezi nezitya neeflat njalo njalo. This is also how people fall for their therapists. Why bukela la film? Yomntu wathandana ne-therapist yakhe kanti i-therapist yakhe
Ithe ru.
Iwo. Ngabe imenzela ezibukwayo sana i-therapist. But because
Yeah, no. That happens. Abantu do for the therapists because you feel understood by a person. You're like lo muntu uyandigeta and uyandinceda.
elibana nobuyabhatala.
Exactly. And I think that's what we ultimately search for in relationships, is being understood. So if you're giving me that, so you know I've done. Befondini akakulwisi akakuphikisi. Uyakunceda fondini kindly. And we're no judgment akakujaji. That makes so much sense. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I was thinking when I read this, I was like, if my therapist is a black dude, this is all Ambanjani.
Because it's to get confused. Yo! Andicinge kanjani mina lento yazi.
Imagine Joe, ityani phaa ihleli phaa understand into zakho yeah.
You know Joy.
Yeah.
Wow, guys. I never thought of it, bro.
Yeah.
So, uthini ngoku if i-therapist yayibona uba yilaa mbewu utyala ngayo tshintshe.
Ewe. Also, I don't think it happens in the beginning. I think after a few months, then it becomes imbewu otyala.
Yaba imbewu yaba imbewu usangena emnyango.
Sure.
Ibisithi khawungene enkosazana.
Ndingene phi entliziyweni yakho.
Ubanganikwa iitools zawo uphosa nge-first spanner.
Or you actually do the work to become better, to impress him.
The thing is, if a therapist also looks unimpressed with that,
not
the right therapist.
No, not that they look unimpressed, but ufuna umxelele ba jonga ndiyakwazi umamela, ndiyakwazi uapply. I'm intelligent enough to apply the things that you have taught me.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Eh?
Fair. Hi, it's giving mna nesikolo. Fuck yes,
Thanks becoming ubu.
Wow.
Uthi uza amachwama for umuntu oqaqanjelwayo zuks. Ebengaqaqanjelwa benambu. Make me nambu, Nelson. I go through my wardrobe and I give stuff away because I don't want to keep it until inganxibeki when someone else could use it.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Nice.
A mountain gayona, it works for me because I
Work from home.
So I recycle and realize I wear the same things all the time. I want the bling water bottle Mzupela I was using. Zama. Anyway, I speak about things to hold myself accountable and more of than not. If I'm talking about it, I'm ready to deal with it in therapy and with friends.
Oh, I like that. I like that so much. Hey, Linda, buy a water bottle.
Saziphiwa nathi babes.
Oh, Talita, sakuthandi. Yes, that's P. Yeah.
Spotify as a gift.
Yeah, shout out. Yeah, I love that that thinking about what I give away stuff because I don't want to keep it until I'm big.
Yeah.
That's so fair, man.
Oh.
Yeah, because and now what I did in the last week, the end I decided no hike easy. And if suke emsebenzini ndifika ndinxibe easy. So and what is the pijama but zimbasha zami zasendlini. So now the thinking is to get home, take off what I was wearing, wear my house clothes, and then go with that throughout the rest of the day. So that I also
Yeah, puta.
Yeah, that did.
And then go your lala. Oh, wow. That's so
I
intense.
have pijama, but
Yes, Funa.
no.
Why not? That's not how, you obviously have never had pajamas. That's not how pajamas work. Zilos pajama. Circulate umzimba.
And the understand him, I never carry the pijama.
Oh, kotoli mhlawumbe ngizimini.
So a nice piece of silk is gonna keep me from getting cold.
No.
What is the what? Okay, what is?
What is the point of sleeping garments?
Yeah, absolutely. Besides making people rich, Indoni, what is your benefit here, pijama?
Not being naked.
How does that have anything to do with sleep? Do you know that?
I'm so ngikwazi ulala if anqibanga.
Do you know scientifically?
Oh gosh.
Ulala brutsi has got it benefits.
I'm sure it does.
Yes. Uba ubanjwe yirekere yepijama.
Uzazi ipijama zilusa khona kubambileyo. If ukubambile incinci itheke iseserongo. Oh my gosh.
Delita,
What?
why do you sleep with pajamas?
Because I don't like sleeping naked. Andikwazi ulala.
So, okay, so if you like sleeping, unganxibanga.
I don't like being naked.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Neither do I. I think sasiqhelise lando sisakhula.
Basinxiba kokoko.
Ewe, and ikhona imizi apho kuhanjwa naked. Thina siyazi loo nto leyo.
No, it's weird.
But ke ngoku mna ndiyi-opposite because mna yile nto nomba andilali ngepijama at all.
So if ningakuthenga ipijamas zinxiba.
Uzabe uwastile ngepijama negown.
Negawuni.
Gown.
Wait. So when you wake up in the morning.
Like
Wait.
amaphupho akho wafezekisa nini xa unxibe igown?
Igawuni awulali ngayo.
Wenzani ngayo?
So when you wake up in the morning, uvuka.
Iyongena eshawareni.
Oh. What if like khona enye into ufuneka uqala uyenze before?
Efana nantoni
Mhlawumbe
mhlawumbe?
khona email ufuneka uyilandukile before.
Senginxibela tracksuit kaloku yalapha endlini.
Okay. Sharp.
Xa ndiyagodola ndiyithatha ihoodie ndiyinxibe.
On top of your dirty body.
Imagine.
Then uphinde uyinxibe ngenye imini.
Intoni?
Lo hoodie.
Ewe. Osomzimba wama ukho mdaka. Ngoba bendilele.
Yes, you were sweating and stuff. You were shedding skin.
Which you do nangoku ngokushed skin.
Yeah, kaloku which is why uzovaso izimpahla.
Jonga, kanthela izilipasi. Yabona izilipasi zazinxiba zo. Epijama and out mna guys outing a bit.
Say less. Ozzy says, when I tell you I've been rooting for Zuko the whole week leading to Comrades and also can't wait to hear about it on the podcast. Manager, oh, I wonder uZuko ziva njani.
Hey, dog.
Badike ndime ekhaya mane bebuza kubani uZuko.
Oh, Ozzy. Yabona wena, you're a real one.
I love this podcast and the joy it brings to my heart. This is Tali. Love you so much for the psychology of it all. I've been telling my family and friends about what I learned about depression every chance I
Oh,
get.
lovely.
Analyzing if they have any indications of depression. I went.
Okay. Uzoba i-analyst mo. Okay. Ozzy, thank you so much for that, man, and thank you so much for the well wishes and rooting for me. Oh, ndiyabulela. And I hope ke ne family yakho ide yazi bangubani uzuko.
Kangubabonise.
Savuke uba abantu abangandaziyo at least ndiye ndagqiba. Bezaphinda ukuthi yabona ke nalo uzuko wakho jonga.
Oh, kimi yonke often after
I'm so
lo.
grateful. That's fantastic, man. Thank you so much, Ozzy, for that. But ke ungadiagnose abanye son. The picture yakho. Umuntu ucathethe umthi. Copy notebook.
Because someone mentioned Makalala.
Ebona ke bizaphinda ibuyele kungathi yaba kulozuko. Andayindimi kubaxelele ke ba sisters up next door.
Oh, that's amazing. Thanks for sharing the love as well, Ozzy. Guys, Ngosini, for all your comments, as per usual, keep them coming in. I know in the next Bling Line Sana, it's gonna be a but keep it coming.
100%. Shout out, guys. You know what it is. Let's do this again next week. And up until then, you guys need to take care of yourselves, love yourselves, in order to increase your propensity to love each other.
Amen. I'm with you.
Later.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling Line.